In this video, we will create an engaging and informative presentation on underwater fish in PowerPoint. Watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Click on right button, go to format background, click on picture or texture fill and insert picture from a file. Go to insert, click on shape, select rectangle, drag it like this. Go to shape fill, select color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go back to insert, click on shape, select around a rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to the right side. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to format shape, click on slide background fill. Go to shadow, select this inner shadow from preset. Press Ctrl D and make 7 to 8 duplicates and reduce their size. Add information about your PPT here. Select color using eyedropper. Again click on right button, duplicate the slide. Move the text box to the right and select the rounded rectangle and move it to the top. Now deselect some of the rectangles and move them up a bit to create a nice effect. Add text box here. Go to first slide, also paste here. Move to the downside. Go to second slide. Take it first position. Go to transition. Select Morph. Increase duration size. Now go to full screen. So look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.